Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a popsicle stick house. First, gather your materials. You'll need a good supply of popsicle sticks, typically around 200 to 300, depending on your desired house size. A strong craft glue or a hot glue gun is essential for secure bonding. Also, ensure you have a flat, stable surface to work on, which will help keep your structure even and sturdy as you build. Now, let's start building the walls. Begin by laying out 10 popsicle sticks side by side for one wall section. Secure them by gluing 2 other sticks horizontally across the top and bottom, perpendicular to the vertical sticks. Repeat this process to create 4 identical wall sections. Consistency in size is key here, so measure carefully to ensure all your walls are uniform before moving on. With your walls assembled, it's time for the roof and details. For the roof, create 2 panels, each about 12 sticks long, similar to how you made the walls. Once dry, glue these panels together at an angle to form a peaked roof. Then, attach the roof securely to your wall structure. You can also cut smaller stick pieces to create window frames and a door opening, adding character to your house. To finish your popsicle stick house, reinforce all the joints with a bit more glue, especially where the walls meet and where the roof attaches. This adds significant durability. Once everything is dry, let your creativity shine. You can paint your house, use markers for details, or add tiny accessories like miniature furniture. For more great tips and deals, check the description below this video. Also, you'll find a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.